Right, Makita SDS. Running fine. When you change from the hammer mode, hammer. Slapped. People don't realise in these machines, the Makitas, this wee badge at the front that literally is telling you you can only go one mode at a time. So from hammer, you can't go from hammer only to drill only. You know, pop out the wee corn inside and pop off the change lever. You can only go one at a time. Go one at a time, drill. Go one at a time, pull the trigger. So more than likely somebody's turned this the whole way around and she's popped out or done some sort of damage. Pull that out. Put your change lever all the way around. Pull it out. That's your wee acorn on the side. You can see the damage there. Oh, she's caught. That is acted on this cam here. That's what engages your hammer and your rotation. So she's binding up. When she's going over to drill, she's getting stuck and not get on because of damage on that from a previous attempt. So change that, see if that fixes it. Just gotta find a part. That's the one. That's what it should look like. So all I want is the spring. It all sits onto here. Bit of grease. Never any harm to put a bit of extra grease onto the gearbox. Shove that on. Grease is only there to hold it. So that's going on this way. So you want this sitting to engage this wee cam. Press it back in. Push on your button. Click that back into place. Can't come out again now once it's back at this position. We'll test that. Hammer only. Hammer on drill. Drill only. Now it's staying in position. That's it. That's all that's needed. Just to replace that wee piece. What's that, like €3 or €4? Cheap wee repair. Just put this on as well. Stops you from pushing the button on too far. That's it. Simple as that.